M. Magan Tamil movie Thirumalai owns a provision store in Karaikudi and lives with his family consisting of his wife Selvi, wife's younger brother Karupatti Ayakannu, son Krishna, daughter Vanitha, and mother. Thirumalai is very strict, short-tempered, and is referred as Emdan by his relatives. Krishna studies poultry science in a nearby college and also assists his father in managing the store. Krishnan worries about his father's repeated vehement behavior towards him. Divya is Krishna's classmate and is also the daughter of the auditor, Balasubramanian, who manages Thirumalai's accounts. Divya proposes to Krishnan, who does not reciprocate. He tells her that he loves his maternal uncle Natarajan's daughter Janani. 12 years ago Thirumalai had asked a loan from Selvi's family to develop his shop, which was refused due to their financial condition. Then, in a festival in temple, Thirumalai slapped Selvi in front of both families for a petty reason, to insult her brothers. This leads to a tussle, and Krishna's family left that temple then. Since then enmity prevails between Thirumalai and his in-laws' family. Krishnan lives with the hope that the two families will reunite someday, paving the way for his wedding. Thirumalai's father-in-law Chellakannu is on his deathbed and his mother-in-law visits Thirumalai's family, asking them to come to see her husband before he passes away. Thirumalai refuses and sends her back. The next day, he leaves early to Madurai and Selvi and Krishna use his scooter to visit Chellakannu. Thirumalai returns halfway and a lot of confusion ensues, but Selvi and Krishna confuse him by going to Kunnakudi Murugan temple and escape his punishment. The next night, Chellakannu passes away and the two families come to talking terms, making a truce to the enmity during the condolence. Krishnan feels excited upon waiting to meet Janani after so many years. Janani also reciprocates the same feeling towards Krishnan, and both love each other. One day, Krishnan is tempted to kiss Janani when there is a power cut. However, the power comes suddenly, and the entire family spots Krishnan kissing Janani. Both Thirumalai and Natarajan get furious upon seeing this incident. A clash erupts between Thirumalai and Natarajan by blaming each other's child for the incident. Thirumalai beats up Krishnan and takes his family back home. However, Janani secretly hides in the car boot and comes along with them to Krishnan's house. Seeing this, Thirumalai gets even more furious and sends both Krishnan and Janani out of the home. Krishnan, Janani and Ayakannu meet Balasubramanian and request to help the former find a job as he has now completed his college degree with distinction. Krishnan successfully secures a job in a poultry farm in Udumlaipeti with the help of Balasubramanian. Krishna marries Janani and she gave birth to a baby boy. Krishna works hard, his career progresses well, and his lifestyle improves. One day, Thirumalai needs the signature of his son Krishnan as he wanted to sell a property and goes to meet Krishnan. Thirumalai feels happy upon seeing his son in a good status but returns without expressing his happiness because of ego. But on the other hand, Natarajan meets Krishnan after their child is born and realizes that he sincerely loves and takes care of Janani. Unlike Thirumalai, and Krishnan reunites with his maternal uncle happily. Krishnan comes to meet Thirumalai with an alliance to be seen for his sister. An emotional conversation happens between the duo where the former expresses his feelings. Then Balasubramanian arranges engagement of Divya with the person who she loves now. In the end, Thirumalai overcomes his ego and expresses his happiness upon seeing his son's growth and finally reunites with him. The movie ends showing both the family members of Krishnan and Janani leading a joyful life together, and the movie gives a happy ending.